One of the things that in the patchwork world, that the first shape you cut is probably a square. And there's a very easy design that I call squares on squares. It's probably got all sorts of other names, but it basically involves two sizes of square. Now you can do this design with any size of square you like for the large one and any size of square you like for the small one. But there's a bit of wastage involved. Now I've carefully rejigged the measurements so that when you do the two sizes of squares that I give you, you will have no wastage whatsoever. With your rotary cutter or a pair of scissors, wobble your way up the middle there. What you have done is attached one triangle onto one corner of the center square. And it's going to look something like this when you've done the stitching, to remind you, and you will cut directly up the middle. There we go. And amazingly, because you used 3.5-inch squares and 5-inch ones, and you sewed 3/8 of an inch away, 4 of these will fit one of those. And there is the proof.